In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through Leadpages. We'll go over the dashboard, the landing pages, website, ad builder, conversion tools, integration, and everything in between. So stick around because later I'll share a small tip that most people miss, but it can save you a lot of time when you're building. So let's start here on the dashboard. Now, once you've logged into your account, you can click on the Create Landing Page button and sort through dozens of different templates. So personally, I like creating landing pages that are simple and focused, something that helps me collect email subscribers from Facebook ads or social media campaigns. So what I recommend is to sort by conversion rate. So this way you can see which templates are performing well. Here's also a good one to start with is the super basic squeeze page. So it's very easy to customize and it's known to convert very, very well. You can preview any template first to see if you like the design. And if you're happy, you just click use template and Leadpages will set up your page. And once your landing page is created, you can click on any of the elements to edit them, the subheadline, the main headline, or the button. You can even add images, and on the left, you'll see the widget section, which options like text, image plus text, image, video, custom form, button, space, icon, line, HTML, and more. So for example, if I click on the image widget, I can choose from my uploaded images, use the AI generator, or upload something from my computer. And then customize what happens when people click the button. So click edit pop-up. So you see here fields for the subheadline, the main question or statement, and the integration. So this is where you can connect your landing page to your email marketing provider. And if you don't want to connect an external provider, you can simply set up notifications so Leadpages emails you whenever someone subscribes. You can also add more fields like first name, last name, or address. But I usually just keep it to an email address for simplicity. And in the actions section, you decide what happens after someone opts in. And do you want them sent into a thank you page, to another landing page, or an external link? You can even keep them on the same page. And here's also a really good tip. Always create a custom thank you page. The default is fine, but you're missing an opportunity to show another offer or build more trust if you don't customize it. And in the style section, you can tweak the design of your landing page, change the buttons to flat, line, or gradient style, swap fonts, change backgrounds, and even upload a favicon or add custom CSS. And honestly, I don't really worry too much about heavy customization. I like keeping pages simple, a clear headline, a supporting image, and a one call to action. But if branding matters to you, you can go all in here. If you open the settings tab, you can customize or optimize your landing page for SEO. And personally, I don't try to rank these pages on search. But if organic traffic is part of your plan, you'll want to add page titles, meta descriptions, and keywords here. And in the analytics section, you can add tracking code for Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, or any other script. And here's also something very useful. Leadpages has an AI-powered writing assistant. If you're stuck writing headlines, just paste in a description of your lead magnet. Pick a tone like casual and click Get Copy. It will generate headline ideas that you can use or tweak. And once you've customized your page, always preview it and test it. So I recommend entering your own email to make sure everything works, that the notification arrive, and that the integration connects properly. And when you're satisfied, you can now publish your page. And before we move on, if you want to support this channel, feel free to use our affiliate links given in the video description. This will help us more videos like this. Now let's go back and check out the Sites tab. When you first log in, this is the page that greets you. It's designed to be simple so you can jump right into creating. You'll also notice the layout is clean, and right at the bottom it says recent items, create a site, page, pop-up, or alert bar to get started. So as you create more content, you'll see your more recently updated items here. This is really helpful because as you build more landing pages or sites, they'll show up here for quick access. You don't have to dig around. Your recent work is right in front of you. And don't miss this because it saves you time if you're working on multiple projects. Now let's click over to the Landing Pages tab. This is one of the most powerful areas in Leadpages. Like the name suggests, it's where you'll create and manage all your landing pages. And here's the exciting part. Let's build a landing page and get you some leads. Turn clicks into customers with high converting landing pages so that you can easily do it yourself. And when you tap on Create New Landing Page, a whole library of templates opens up. So on the left side, you'll see categories like newest, conversion rate, most popular, and below that you have filters, collections, page type, industry, style, and color. And here's something most people don't know about. If you choose collections, more options will appear like holiday, quick launch, and trending. So for example, holiday templates are already made for seasonal campaigns. So think Christmas, Black Friday, Valentine's. If you choose quick launch, you'll get simple templates designed to get you up and running fast. And trending shows you the designs that are hot right now, the ones that many users are using because they're working. And the same goes for page type, industry, style, and color. You can drill down and find exactly what you need. Let's just say you want a clean, professional look in blue. You can filter by style and color, or maybe you want templates designed for coaching, e-commerce, or events. You'll find that under industry. And stick around because in a minute, I'll show you how this same filter system works for full websites too. Alright, let's jump into the Sites tab. This is where you build complete websites. At the top, it says create a high converting website in half the time. Experience the only drag and drop website builder engineered to transform web traffic into customers. And that's exactly what it is. So if you tap on create new site, you'll be taken to the site builder page where you'll find a wide collection of templates. And on the left side, you again have filters like newest, conversion rates, and most popular plus industry, style, and color. And if you tap on most popular, you'll see the templates that other Leadpages users are choosing the most. And that's a small secret worth knowing. Popular templates are usually popular because they convert well. And don't miss this part because it can save you a lot of time testing. So instead of building from scratch, you can start with something that's already proven to work. Now let's move on to the Ad Builder tab. This is really useful if you're running ads. It says design your advertising assets. Turn a single image into a full set of ad creatives in just one click. And when you tap on try it for free, you're taken into what it looks like an editing page, which I think is powered by the Glorify editor. And on the left side, you'll see tools like text, shapes, arrows, a pencil tool, images, buttons, and even AI tools. This is where you design your ads, whether it's for Facebook, Instagram, or any platform. Once you're done designing, all you need to do is hit save or download. And here's also a small tip. Design one version, then quickly create variations with different colors or headlines. That way you can test which ads works better without starting from scratch. Next is the Blogs tab. Adding a blog to your site can boost your organic traffic, and Leadpages makes it simple. It says grow your brand with Leadpages blogs. Add a blog to your site to boost your organic traffic. And if you tap add to site, it will actually redirect you back to the sites tab. You want to know why? Because blogs are tied to your main website. They live inside your site, not as a separate feature. That way your blog and your website stay connected and consistent. Now let's check out the Conversion Tools tab. At the bottom, you'll see two options, pop-ups and alert bars. So first, let's talk about pop-ups. The message here says capture your audience at the peak of their interest with pop-ups. So easily add pop-ups to any lead page, web page, or website with just a few clicks. And the cool part is you can trigger them in different ways, based on a click, after a certain time delay, or when someone tries to exit your page. And if you tap on create new pop-up, you'll be asked to enter a name. So I'll name mine sample. Then tap continue. Now you're in the pop-up editor. On the left, you'll see widgets like text, image plus text, image, video, custom form, button, space, icon, and line. Each one lets you shape your pop-up the way you want. So for example, if you want a quick announcement, just drag it in text. And if you want to capture emails, add a form. If you want to boost engagement, drop in a video. And once you're happy with your design, just tap publish. Now let's go back and look at alert bars. These are less intrusive than pop-ups, but still get attentions. It says boost conversions with a non-intrusive, mobile-friendly alert bar. Add an alert bar to any page that you own and get your audience's attention without getting in their way. The features include mobile-friendly layouts, opt-in forms or text-based announcements, and flexible publishing options. Tap on create an alert bar, give it a name again. I'll call it sample. And once inside the editor, you'll see layout options on the left. You can customize the background, the position, and the button. If you tap on the sign me up button, you can switch it between primary and secondary styles or fully customize it. You can also change the size, small, medium, or large. So for the text, like sign up for our newsletter to get updates, you can adjust the font, text size, line spacing, and margins. And here is a neat feature. If you tap the AI button and choose swap headline, it will generate a new headline for you. And once you're satisfied, just hit publish at the top right. Now let's go into the leads tab. This is where all your data gets collected. So at the top, you'll see insights like top industry, top location, top company, top job title, and top income. And at the bottom, it says all your leads in one place. Create a landing page, site, or conversion tool and watch your leads pile up. Then enhance them with powerful enrichment data to unlock deeper insights. This is really valuable because it's not just a list of names, it's enriched data. You'll know what industries your leads are from, what job titles they hold, where they're located, and even income levels. That means you can understand your audience better and adjust your marketing. Next up is audience insights. This takes things even deeper. It says turn anonymous traffic into insights. Access audience insights to understand who your landing page visitors are, where they're from, how they engage, and more to optimize your lead generation campaigns. So right now, mine says note, make sure to end your trial to collect traffic and receive insights on them. And if you tap get audience insights, you'll see want access now and your Leadpages trial early to unlock this feature. So basically, once you have traffic, this tab gives you the analytics to back it up. Then we have the brand tab. This is where you can upload logos, manage brand colors, and keep everything consistent across your pages and sites. It makes your designs look professional without you having to reapply the same settings over and over. After that is the images tab. Below it, you'll see all images, image generator, and upload images. If you go into all images, you'll see an upload button. Tap it, and you can drop in your files. Supported formats are PNG, JPEG, GIF, SVG, or ICO, with a maximum size of 15 MB. If you go to image generator, this is where it gets fun. You can type in a detailed description of an image that you want. So pick a style like photo, painting, sketch, watercolor, or 3D. You can also choose the composition, color, and mood. Then Leadpages generates an image for you. This is a great way to get unique visuals for your sites or ads without paying for stock photos. Next is the scripts tab. This is where you add global scripts like Google Analytics 4, metapixels, or custom tracking codes. It says add global scripts, Google Analytics 4, or custom scripts to your account to speed up content creation. If you tap add a script, you'll give it a name, pick the type, custom or Google Analytics, and save it. This is essential if you want to track conversions. Now let's look at the native integrations. Leadpages integrates with tools like ActiveCampaign, Aweber, Constant Contact, ConvertKit, Drip, Emma, GetResponse, GoToWebinar, iContact, Infusionsoft, MailChimp, Ontraport, and Webinar Jam. And at the bottom, you'll see integrations powered by Zapier like Autopilot Journeys. This tab is all about connecting your marketing stack so everything works together. Now let's move on to the Domains tab. The Domains tab is where you can connect your own domain. So instead of having your pages hosted on a generic Leadpages link, you can use your own custom domain. This makes your site look more professional and builds trust with visitors. Now let's move on to the support tab. The support tab is where you can go if you need help. You'll see options like get chat support, open support ticket, give feedback, and visit support site. Whether you want instant help or prefer to browse guides, everything is here. And finally, the plan tab. This is where you see the details of your subscription, what features you have access to, and upgrade options if you need more. And that's a complete walkthrough of Leadpages. Now, before we close, here's that time-saving tip I promise. So whenever you're choosing templates for land pages or sites, start with the most popular ones. These templates are usually tested and proven to work. They already have layouts that convert, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel. So that's everything from the dashboard to creating pages and sites to blogs, conversion tools, leads, insights, and integrations. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Leadpages is a powerful tool, and as you've seen, it gives you everything in one place. Landing pages, websites, ads, pop-ups, alert bars, blogs, analytics, integrations, and more. And the best part is that it's all drag and drop, so you don't need to be a tech expert. So I recommend taking the time to play around with each tab, test different designs, and explore the templates. The more you use it, the easier it becomes. And remember, every click you make is every small change in design. It can have a big impact on your results. So dive in, start building, and let Leadpages help you grow your leads and your business.